Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys flash for call, how to turn on Tecno mobile. Friends, we want to on flash for call settings. So by how to on flash for calls, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to on flash for call setting on Tecno mobile. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Tecno mobile. Friends, click on Tecno mobile, special function setting, and friends you want to on game mode setting on your Tecno mobile, you can on and you can off your game mode setting from here. Friends, you can see there are many setting, power menu setting, accessibility setting. So friends, click here micro setting, tapping wake, music gestures, 3-finger screenshot. Friends, you want to on, you want to off, you can on, you can off from here. Friends, you can see raise to ear call setting. Friends, you want to on your raise to ear call, you can on from here. Smart screen setting. Friends, you want to use your smart screen automatic guys when you pick up your phone, so your screen will on automatic. Friends, click here last option, flash for calls. Friends, you can see flash for call guys, flash will alert when device is locked. So guys, your flash will blink when your screen is off, and you can use guys your flash for call setting. And friends, you don't want to use, so you can turn off from here. So like that friends, we can on and off flash for call setting on Tecno mobile. And friends, you can find your flash for call setting with shortcut setting also. Click on phone setting, search option, and friends search here flash, FLASH. Note friends, search here flash setting. Direct friends, you can search here special function setting first, SPE, special function setting. Click here micro setting, last option flash for calls, we can on and we can off from here. So bye friends, thanks for watching.